menu for the day. Ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Ang ating menu for the day po ay sinabi na kanina ni Ate, excelente, trabajadores, sarasyados, y cocina, y erga. Ang haba po So, ang ating mga ingredients po na kasama dyan, ang ating mga main ingredients unang-una ay 1 kilo ng educational preparation, 3 cup ng professional skills, 3 cup ng attitude and values, at 1 cup ng emotional intelligence. So, para mas sumarap at sumaya ang ating mga ingredients, hahaluan pa po natin yan ng iba pang mga sangkap. Kasama po dyan ang 1 cup ng training, 1 cup ng sense of responsibility, 1 teaspoon ng adaptability, 1 tablespoon ng teamwork at flexibility, 1 tablespoon ng respect, 1 tablespoon ng disiplina, 14 globes ng commitment and dedication, bawang, 1 tablespoon ng professionalism, 1 tablespoon ng humor, 2 tablespoon ng leadership, at walang teaspoon o tablespoon ang principle, patience, love, and prayer, at may dinagdag pa pala, benefits and privileges. So, yan.
Dalawa na lang sila. Nabawasan. Nabawasan na lang yun.
So, para po, maano natin yung ating menu, ito po ang mga procedure sa excelente ko. Unang-una ay marinate ang 1 kilo ng educational preparation, kasama ang kalahating cup ng training, 7 globes ng commitment and dedication, 1 tablespoon ng teamwork at flexibility. Pagkatapos po niyan, over a heated pan, pour 1 tablespoon ng humor. Tapos po, iisa ang 7 globes of means, commitment and dedication, kasama ang 2 cup ng slight sense of responsibility. Pagkatapos po niyan, idagdag ang marinated educational preparation, tapos pour 1 cup of professional skills, 3 cups of attitude and values, at benefits and privileges. Tapos po ay stir with 1 cup of emotional intelligence. Tapos ilagay ang 1 tablespoon ng respect, 1 kalahating tablespoon ng adaptability, 1 tablespoon ng discipline, 1 tablespoon ng professionalism, at 2 tablespoon ng leadership. Pagkatapos po niyan, sprinkle with prayer, and then simmer with principle and patience. Tapos serve full of love. Okay, so yan po ang aming excelente, trabajadores, sarsyado, y cocina, etc. Ang grupo po ay sina Ate Dolores, si Ate May, si Ate Joanna, si Ate Lynn, si Booth, si Jover, si Lucy, ako po at si Ate Talim. Thank you very much.
Yes, yo. ready mo na. Okay.
Grabe, sikat na sikat siya. Ano yung may bahan mo? Okay. Now, ito na po. The last but not the least. Pampagana, nag-antay sila sa atin, nakapresent lahat. Palangpakan natin ang group 5. Okay.
Magandang umaga. Welcome to the Miss Universe Talent for Show. So now, here we go in the candidates for their presentation. Thank you very much. Palakpak naman po. Okay, so now, may we call in the one and only candidate, Miss Judy Miguel.
Hi everyone. You know, being a beauty queen, beauty is great. It also entails skills to allow me to share with you my one and only skill. To me, my specialty is, grabe, pressure ang pag-iisip ko. Supreme Servicio a la Discarte, subtitle, serve with a smile. Okay, so, for the ingredients, we have 3 main ingredients. First is can I have my walk over here so I can? Okay, for the main ingredients, we have 100 grams of professional competence, 2 kilos attitude and values, and 1 kilo passion and 1 kilo commitment. For the professional competence, for the attitude and values, patience, loyalty, industry, initiative, trustworthiness, honesty, empathy, and integrity. Halo-halo na sila. For the spices, where are the spices? It's here, over here. Spices include a pinch of being God-fearing, openness to learning, calm under pressure, punctuality, flexibility, and adaptability, and/or adaptability. Procedure. Today, visioning and strategic planning and consolidation of activities towards the common goal. Means is with staff development and training activities, which include like this activity, retreat, and others. And then boil it with celebration and affirmation. Simmer in positive reward management through competency-based appraisal. And of course, add encouragement and motivation from the management in the board. For the topic, we have compassion for children, women, and community as a whole. And then, after that, serve with a smile. I thank you.
I thank you,
Palakpak and yes, yo for group number 5.
Yes, yo!
Very good. Salamat po. Let's all go back to the Ayan, kindly rearrange the chair. Pakibalik na lang po. Mamaya po, please feel free to roam around and read all the ingredients made by our group. Ayan. Alam ko naman. Mamaya lang, uploaded na yun sa Facebook. Ayan.